Hey everybody, it's Johnny Mac, and today we're going to get into a sweet, delicious coffee sauce. Please see the description below for a list of the ingredients. So let's begin. Go ahead and grab 237 milliliters or 1 cup of heavy cream, put it in a saucepan over medium heat. Now let's add 13 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Bring this mixture to a boil and then remove from the heat. Now grab your eggs. You're going to go ahead and separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. Take the egg yolks, go ahead and pop them into the blender. Grab your granulated white sugar, go ahead and dump it into the blender. Turn this bad boy on, give it a little twirl. You're going to turn this mixture to a pale yellow mixture. Once your egg mixture is pale yellow, go ahead and get a few ladles full of that warm cream and vanilla mixture and go ahead and pour it into the blender. Once this mixture is well blended, go ahead and pour it on into the saucepan. Okay, now cook this mixture over medium heat to 170 degrees Fahrenheit or 76 degrees Celsius. You'll know you're done whenever the mixture can coat the back of a spoon, and whenever you run your finger down it, it leaves a trail. Okay, great. Now it's time to add our flavor. We're going to put in instant coffee, 3 grams. This is medium roast. Mix it in really well. Alright, once mixed really well, go ahead and transfer it to a bowl. Alright, now grab a little saran wrap, go ahead and put it right on top of the coffee sauce mixture. Now it's time to go ahead and cool it down. We're going to put it into a nice cool place for at least 1 hour. After it's nice and cool, go ahead and bring it out and give it a little mix. Okay, let's bring out a little bit of ice cream. However, you can put this on cake, you can put this on fruits, you can drink this stuff straight. It's so darn good. And go ahead and drizzle on a little bit of that delicious coffee sauce. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and leave your comments below. Let me know what sort of sauces you might like me to make in the future. Hit that subscribe button to support the channel, and I'll see you next time.